So Lauren, talk to us about Tell Us Once. What is it?
Tell Us Once is our commitment to actively listening and documenting the needs and expectations of our clients. It's an expectation that's always been a part of our culture, though we've recently launched it in a more formal manner as a way of demonstrating how much we really value our clients and their needs.
Okay, so how can sponsors possibly benefit from the Tell Us Once commitment?
Aside from the obvious that they don't have to repeat themselves over and over again, they're getting streamlined integration across our divisions, and that's a comforting feeling when everyone's in the know. It's sort of like that Cheers song. Sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name. Well, in this case, you're going where everybody knows your needs, your expectations, and the requirements of your plan.
So on the flip side, how do Altasciences employees benefit from Tell Us Once?
It's really that we have a single repository now for collecting information about a client or about a study, and it really cuts down on the questions between our internal stakeholders. They know exactly where they need to go if they have a question, and they get the answer right at their fingertips.